This unbelievable incident happened in the blink of an eye. In Micanopy, Florida, Deputy Shon McGuigan was monitoring traffic near I-75 and County Road 234 when he saw a gold Chevy Suburban blow through a stop sign while exiting the interstate. The SUV slammed into a curb, crossed into oncoming traffic, and the moment the deputy activated his lights and siren, the driver took off.
Tango 937, 10 City. Signal 12. 937. 17,000 Southeast County Road 234, 28. Hotel Golf X-Ray. Florida 10 Chevy. Signal 1, Signal 2. Just threw a beer out the window. Long lane of traffic. Yes. Once he drops down to 45, I'm going to pit him. We're heading towards 441. We're coming up to 441 now. He's in the wrong lane of traffic. Through the median. Coming up to the pole. The highway patrol is directly in front of me, if you can let them know.
The driver pushed the vehicle to 100 miles per hour through a construction zone, openly taunting Deputy McGuigan and flashing the middle finger as lives were put at risk.
Heading toward Marion County, he's flipping me off.
Okay, notify Marion. 1031, let's take a 1 game. Yep.
We're at 30, I'm pitting.
Okay.
Pit failed. Back up to 80. Pit failed, FHP's coming back up on me.
Get the mutual challenge ready.
Speed 70 miles an hour. Traffic light, roads somewhat wet.
We're sure block now. We're coming up to 326.
I pitted him, he ran me, he's running back northbound.
Go through right here and get your stop sticks out. Get out. He's coming back to you now. What's the vehicle description?
And Suburban.
Alright, he's coming up on really forward. That's your coming to you.
He's coming at you at 90.
picked up. Sticks deployed.
We missed him.
Couldn't get my sticks out in time. You're looking, I'll go in pursuit from here. We're back northbound towards the full speeds are 94, no traffic in the northbound lane at this time. If they could get over here unit, I'll make a mutual aid request in the county for the air unit. Alright, we're coming through the intersection. I'm going to try to make another loop. Go ahead towards Shon McGuigan. There's the tip there. We're coming through Micanopy. I don't see any traffic. Jay, you see anybody ahead of you driving on us?
He's ran me twice now.
They cut back towards 441 seminary here. Street is 55. They have their traffic out. They look it up at the door. Yeah, stay here and just go back out though. We have FHP and Marion County notified.
Stop sticks were deployed but failed to slow the suspect down. More law enforcement units joined the pursuit, including the Florida Highway Patrol and deputies Brian Jones and Jasper Stevenson. The chase continued through the streets of Micanopy, onto Chilaka Boulevard, and back southbound on Highway 441.
Okay, I'll go up to 441. Back southbound towards the Alright, you're going around? Yep. He's in the inside lane here due to the construction. No cars, Mike, it's stuck right here.
We'll ram those cars. Yes. He's on the inside lane now. Back on the outside lane.
Veterans Way to the southbound into George Marion County.
Speeds 100. Traffic light.
Sorry, you confident? Real confident? Just headed into Marion. Close. Successful bid. I'm just trying to back out of it, y'all.
I'm stuck in my car.
Contact.